Welcome everyone. Today we have something truly special for you, the XEO Void Vape Kit. This sleek and innovative device promises to revolutionize your vaping experience. So, join us as we take an in-depth look at its design, features and performance. And without further ado, let's dive into the world of the XEO Void. Let's get straight into unboxing this kit. The packaging itself is sturdy, meaning everything inside is kept nice and secure. And speaking of everything inside this kit, let's take a look at what you get. Of course, you get an instruction manual with very clear steps on how to use and set up this device. However, we're more interested in what's underneath. Taking away the manual, you can see the device itself with an amazing dark grey finish. There are different finishes to choose from, all of which are modern and sleek, which will surely turn people's heads. Inside the device is a 1500 mAh battery, which will ensure extended vaping sessions without the need for constant recharging. Speaking of, this kit also comes with a micro USB cable, which charges the vape quickly. And lastly, with this kit, XEO has provided two atomizer heads to use in the device. One of them is 0.6 ohms, made for a straight to lung drag and better with VG heavy liquids, while the other one is a 1 ohm resistance, suited for a mouth to lung drag and is better with PG heavy liquids. The inclusion of two different atomizer heads is brilliant, as you can customize your vaping experience to suit your preferences. Now that everything is outside of the packaging, allow me to show you how to use this device. Before we start putting liquid into our device, we need to make sure that there is an atomizer head inside. To do this, all we need to do is push down on the top portion of the vape and unscrew it counterclockwise until the mouthpiece is taken out. Then, pick your atomizer of choice and simply screw it onto the bottom. Now that we've done this, let's fill up our tank with liquid. Let's take the main part of our device and simply drop the liquid into the tank. I have chosen Vis-a-Vis's grape flavour as it's my personal favourite. When filling up the tank, pay close attention to the max fill line. Once you've done this, all that's left to do is screw the top back on with the atomizer head attached. Make sure to leave the liquid inside of the tank for 15 to 20 minutes, and after that, you're ready to vape. Now that I've shown you how to set up this vape, what are my thoughts? Well, I must say, this device is very versatile. With two different coils included, you can customize your vaping experience to suit your needs. This device also has an adjustable airflow feature to allow for even more customization, which is just brilliant. And on top of that, this device is also very easy to use. Simply 5 clicks to turn it on, and then you're ready to vape. As for the practicality of this device, it gets top marks, as the device produces a nice smooth vapor and the high quality atomizers allow for a great tasting liquid. So there you have it. The XEO Void's versatility and user-friendly features makes it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced vapers alike. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and check out our website for more. Until next time, take care.